next product we're going to demo for you guys is our new FusionFrame. This combines the best of both worlds. You have a maintenance-free composite with an engineered LVL core. So not only are you getting the benefits of a maintenance-free system, you're also getting the benefits of a nice rigid core, unlike some of the others that are in the marketplace that tend to be a little bit flimsy. We're going to set the door unit in place. We're going to attach our top two screws, but we're not going to fully secure yet. Now, you'll notice this jam system has integrated bubble levels. So if your guy forgets his 6-foot level on the job, he's still got some integrated bubble levels that'll help him find plumb. So once we're plumb, we're going to insert the remainder of our fasteners. And from here, we're going to shim. You'll notice that we're only shimming in 3 locations. Because we have our engineered LVL core, we're not required to shim every 12 to 18 inches like some other composite jams that are in the market. As we're shimming in place, we're just going to start at the top, then we're going to work our way down.
I'll call you.
You'll also see here in just a minute, as we near the end of our demo, that we're going to be able to hide the fasteners that we're putting into this door unit. Again, we're only shimming in 3 locations. Once we're shimmed in, we're going to come around and we'll remove and cut off the excess shim to make way for our brick mold.
You might have one.
Now, historically, any door unit with a side light gets fastened through the stop, and then you're coming back and you're having to putty, you're having to caulk, you're having to somehow fill those screw holes that were made, and then you're having to either paint match or stain match. With our jam system, you simply snap on a cover and it hides the fasteners that were used to secure the door unit into the rough opening. Now, we also have brick mold that again is 2-piece. This brick mold also has a 9/16 return leg on it. So, if we have to, we could float this jam a 1/4 inch in, and this return leg will make up for it. We're no longer having to separate the brick mold from our jam and then come back and fill an unsightly gap, sometimes up to an 8 3/16 inches thick, with caulk that's just going to crack again in another 6 or 7 months. So we're going to put our brick mold in place, and then we're going to fasten the brick mold to the wall. Once we're fastened, we'll apply our brick mold covers, again hiding the fasteners that were used to secure the brick mold. And now you have a maintenance-free and all the benefits of a composite system with the added benefits of hidden fasteners. The fasteners that were used to secure the jam into the rough opening are hidden. The fasteners that you would use to secure the brick mold to the wall are hidden. There's also a couple other added benefits to this 2-piece system. Let's say your brick mold gets dented up and dinged during construction. It's as simple as coming back, remove the cover, put a new cover on it. Let's say a year or so after the home's built, you get a little settling, your door unit becomes out of plumb, you've got a little bit of daylight coming between panel and weather strip. You simply remove the 2-piece jam cover, back the screws out, reset your door, fasten the screws, put your cover back on. You're no longer forced to remove all the trim from the interior side of the door, and it solves everything out. That concludes our demo. If you would like any additional information on our products, please feel free to step into the booth and someone will be happy to assist.